Any more questions for me in general, like in particular?
So for you, I mean, I think people always want to know the trading style. Like, what do you actually do trading wise? So how would you describe like your trading style?
I keep it simple, bro. I keep it super simple. I try not to overcomplicate it. Basically like a retail trader. Go with volume.
Retail trader.
That's it. Simple, bro. I keep it super simple. The more I try to complicate it, the more.
What pairs do you trade?
GJ.
GJ?
Yeah, GJ. Yeah. I trade London, mainly GJ. But I'm trying to transition to New York slowly but surely. Once I get to New York, I like NAS, GU.
So you trade London session?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're waking up?
I stay up. I just stay up.
You stay up?
Yeah, if I take a nap, I wake up confused, think it's the next day or something.
And how many days a week are you trading London?
Like 4 days a week. 4, maybe 5.
Damn.
I try to. Yeah, exactly. I know.
Put in that late night work.
It's a lifestyle though. It just feels like it's like I just do it now. It's just normal for me at this point.
So what are some goals, right, moving forward with the prop firms?
A great question.
What are you trying to get into?
Great question. I'd like to be funded again because I was funded with also MFF before they went down, and that like lost a lot of my capital with that. But I want to get funded again. Like about goal would be like $1 million in funding. You know, $1 million in funding and just cash counting it, taking my time, 5% here, 2% here. I don't really got to go crazy on it. Yeah,
I think what some people fail to realize is that making a few $100,000 can change your life, right? Like getting like 100K in cash, 200K in cash, 300K in cash can be extremely transformative.
I agree. So let me tell you what happened for me then. Like I should have mentioned this earlier, right? So I was working a job and I got fired from my job, right? And I had some friends of mine, shout out to those guys if they're seeing this, they put like $500 in a live account. And I was like, we want to see what you could do with this. So the first week I had a ticket from 500 to 1,000, made 100%. Cool, you know? Of course I'm risking like 20% a trade or so, right? Then the second week after that, I dropped it from $1,000 down to $89. And I just hammered out, went to the gym every day. Like I had just go to the gym, trade, because I lost my job and I had maybe like 2 months of rent and like bills saved up. And I was like, bro, I have to make this work, bro. I was like, let me get this fucking $89 account back to like 500.
That's when you get super focused.
Bro, I got that, bro. I didn't even know I could do that, bro. I got it from $89 to 500 and I turned that $500. Long story short, bro, from $89 in about 3 months to $22,000.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's crazy. I didn't think I would have ever been able to do that, bro. But it happened, bro. And then throughout that process, like it was like a live account. So we were using another broker, like a live account broker. And yeah, bro, it was crazy. I ended up putting like my own money, had like 1,000, turned 1,000 to like 22,000. No, $12,000 profit off of that $1,000 account. It had a trade copier, so we had like a couple accounts connected. Took $5,000, and then also connected a $5,000 account throughout this process to it. Took that $5,000 account to like $40,000, bro. So like once they see it, oh, you're doing good. You took 89 to like 1,000 and 1,000 to 2,000. Trade copiers added, and then bro,
very quickly everyone wants to connect.
Everyone wants to get, hey, bro, like friends, family, like so. I started managing everyone's money, you know. But yeah, that went well. Got withdrawals, everyone got paid out, things like that, and then like eventually the fund went under because like took a big loss, you know. So for me, that was like all right, like a pivotal point in my career and my trading journey is like what, like I learned so much from that. I learned that like listen, even when you're funded, you're never going to be funded forever. You have to understand that when you're in your winning season, make the right investments. So I made the right investments. Like I make investments in the physical world now. I don't just have all my money in trading. Right. So I still get paid from some investments that I made literally like in the real world here. So that's like one of the tips I recommend to anyone watching this. If you make money in trading, make sure you take some money out of that and you put it into some hard assets in the real world. Yeah. Like just putting that out there. Like that's wise to do. So yeah, bro. I agree. That was it. And then also I got funded and then got like $40,000 payout. Off of a 300K account over like 3 months or so as well. So that's fire. Yeah, bro. All right. So you said you're building up the personal brand, right? Yeah. A little bit. Is that where Instagram, YouTube? Where is it? Instagram. I've been making a lot of YouTube content, but I don't know how to edit. So I'm kind of looking for an editor. So I have hella content, but I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to do the podcast stuff. So like I have content, but if you guys are an editor, connect with your boy over here. Yeah, hit me up, bro, because I need it. I need it. Listen, shout out Jan, shout out the team. We have great editors with TFT. And once upon a time, before I had editors, I was in a similar position where I'm like, I want to show this content, and I was trying to edit myself and sucked all, it sucked. Yeah. But then once you get some good editors, like it
changes the game.
I could imagine.